Samsung's next non-foldable flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, is shaping up to be a major leap forward, not just an incremental upgrade. Leaks and insider reports suggest a device that's lighter, slimmer, and packed with cutting-edge tech across display, camera, charging, and performance. Mobile phone ultra-thin design with premium feel. According to trusted tipster at ISOCELL, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a body thinner than 7mm, making it one of the slimmest ultra-premium smartphones ever. It's also expected to be a few grams lighter than the S25 Ultra, while slightly taller and wider, but still retaining the same display size. Despite the dimensional tweaks, Samsung is unlikely to increase bezel size, keeping the immersive edge-to-edge experience intact. Glowing star display upgrades, COE depolarizer and anti-reflective glass. Samsung is reportedly introducing COE depolarizer technology along with third-generation anti-reflective glass. These enhancements aim to reduce glare and improve clarity, especially in bright environments. Expect a display that's not only more vibrant but also easier to view under direct sunlight, a huge win for outdoor users and content creators. Camera with flash camera enhancements, bigger apertures, sharper zoom. Camera leaks point to a revamped setup featuring a new ISOCELL HP2, 2026, primary sensor with an ultra-large aperture, a redesigned 3x telephoto lens, a 5x periscope camera with a wider aperture for better low-light zoom shots. These upgrades promise sharper images, improved depth, and enhanced performance across lighting conditions, ideal for mobile photographers and vloggers. High-voltage 60W fast charging, finally catching up. Samsung is reportedly boosting charging speeds to 60W, a significant jump from the S25 Ultra's 45W. Paired with a 5000 mAh battery, this means faster top-ups without sacrificing battery life, a long-awaited upgrade for power users. Brain powering the beast, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 or Exynos 2600? Under the hood, Samsung is testing both the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and its in-house Exynos 2600 chip. While the final decision isn't confirmed, either option promises next-gen performance, improved AI processing, and better thermal efficiency, perfect for gaming, multitasking, and camera-heavy workflows. A flagship worth waiting for. With a thinner body, smarter display, upgraded cameras, faster charging, and a powerhouse chipset, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of 2026. While the official launch is still months away, these leaks suggest Samsung is pulling out all the stops to stay ahead of the competition.